there is my wall of tool. I got a Stanley plane. Well, I'm not sure if it's a Stanley. The handle, it's right Stanley, but on the front there, I don't know how you call that. It's a Sergeant. That's a pretty big plane. I got a conceal tool axe that was from my grandfather. It has a maple handle that I made, as well as this hammer. Stanley number 51, I think, spoke shave. That's really useful for making handles and other stuff. This is a distance saw. I don't know what's the model or number or anything. I got a bow saw here. That's just a cheap bow saw from the hardware store. And I have a Sandvik 2000 series crosscut saw. Well, just a normal handsaw. And this saw really cuts well. And I got this draw knife, which is a Pexto that I got from eBay, as well as this spoke shave and this distant crosscut saw that you might have seen in our first video. Yeah. So that's a part of my tool collection. I can also show you in my drawer here. I got, of course, my Mora and my, let me get this out. My K-Bar BK17. I love this knife. I modded it a bit. It had a black coating and I just sanded it off. Did some, I don't know how we call that, but that looks cool. And my Mora companion. And I'll get my, oh yeah. I also, in this drawer, have other tools, just random stuff. I've got here a tenon cutter from Veritas. How did I get this? That's used to make round tenons on the round pieces of wood. That's a 1 inch, and you just put that on a drill and it'll make the end of your logs smaller to make it fit in not a tenon, but tenon, what's the other thing? Tenon and mortise. Anyway, tenon cutter. This is some oil. That's, what's the name of this? Anyway, that's oil for wood projects. Some glue, sandpaper, some clamps, and I also have my toolbox. So that's my toolbox. I got some spoon that I made inside of there, and a hook knife to carve the bowl from the spoons. 4-in-1 rasp, a broken cheap chisel, and some screwdrivers, a folding knife, and that's about it. Some small chisels. These are drill bits. How are they called? Anyway, that's drill bits. I got 2 of these. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you want me to elaborate on some of the tools discussed in this video, just comment down below, and we might do a video dedicated to some of these tools. And you can also check out the video right here. That's from my other channel of a log chair that I made. I didn't use the tenon cutter, which was showcased in this video, and I bought it after this video, so they were all done with a chisel. So, but that's only this video is only the assembling of it. So I hope you enjoy it, and see you on the next video.